here with writer and mixed media artist Jane Dunnewold, and we are continuing to build our creative strength muscles. And what are we talking about today?
Well, let's just define creativity, because I think sometimes people don't really think about what it means, or they say, you've heard this, somebody says, I'm not that creative.
Oh my gosh, people say that to me all the time, who are literally showing me something that they made, and I'm like, oh, that's beautiful, and they say, oh no, I'm not creative.
Absolutely.
I copied somebody, and
Right.
I think, no, you are creative.
Exactly, because we all have to begin somewhere, and it's just like parenting. Kids mimic their parents, students mimic the teacher. After a while, it evolves into whatever they feel comfortable doing, or what really, if we're lucky, what they love to do. But everybody has that creativity. Maybe it isn't going to be expressed here with pens and pencils. It might be in the garden.
Or it might be when you cook, or how you dress, the jewelry you choose, the way that you coordinate your outfit. I mean, I think that people think creativity is the same thing as being able to like realistically draw a horse.
Oh, I think you're right about that. And what a mistake. And the more creative you are in one area, the more it ripples out.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, like, there are some people who are very creative with lying. There are people who are very creative with storytelling. I mean, I think there's a lot of ways. Creativity, to me, is just about thinking of something that doesn't actually exist. You know what I mean? Whatever that is. So it's like, oh, I'm taking a red and pencil and I'm coloring on this piece of paper. Well, that didn't exist before, you know?
And it may or may not go somewhere, but at least you did something, because creativity works best when we get it out here and not out of here.
I agree. So you get it out of your head, be creative, and remember that imperfections can inspire new artistic opportunities.